YouTube. This is Speed and it's Simple back with another video. What's up? How's everybody doing? Today I wanted to go a little in depth into how I refill my disposable lighter. So it has to be one of the lighters with the regulator on it where you can adjust the flame, you know. It has to have that for this specific video, you know, for this specific method. So you're gonna need a couple things. I'm using the screwdriver, and I'm using two screwdrivers in this video. Let's use this green lighter because this one's empty. So you're gonna need a lighter, you know, something like a screwdriver, like a little screwdriver, and also you're gonna need your butane, obviously.
What?
So what you want to do first is you want to take the metal piece off. Don't damage it because you're gonna want to put it back on.
Like, whoa.
After that, you're gonna lift up the little plastic thing from the regulator. You see that white thing? Well, that we're gonna just undo that. Make it move. We're gonna go to the right, to my right. So we're gonna go this way, yes. So just keep on, keep on go to that side, and let's get it, you know, to where we want it, you know. It's gonna get pretty loose, not all the way, but pretty loose, close. So let's keep doing this. So when you're done there, so when you've done that, you're ready for the next part. You have to put the little regulator down. So with this other screwdriver, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this screwdriver and I'm gonna stick it in here. You're gonna see where I'm gonna put it right now. I'm gonna stick it right in there and through there to the other side. It's gonna go through there, and so let's put it in there first. That's what she said. I'm kidding. So we're gonna put it through there. It's gonna come out the other side, and we're gonna use this for is we're gonna use it as a pry bar. We're gonna use it to pry it. We're gonna push it down so I can pry it up. That little piece when we're refilling it, when we're putting the gas in. All right. So we're gonna take your butane, and as you put the butane in, you're gonna pry that thing down. So it can rise up, so you can let your gas go in. Okay. So let's try it out. Ready? 3, 2. Bada bing, bada boom. And that is how you refill a disposable lighter. So we're gonna tighten the little regulator thing all the way down. So we're gonna go to the left now. And you know, you're gonna put the little metal thing on, and you know, we'll try it out real quick. So you just make sure it screws back in there real nice. You don't want that to loose because then your flame goes all crazy.
What? Like, whoa.
on. So it's full. Now let's give it a try. Put it up and put it down. Awesome. So make sure you guys subscribe, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you guys for sticking around watching this video. More videos coming soon. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe. You know, make sure you hit that notification button. Just